Hey, what's going on? Again with another video. Today we are going to talk about DeFi, what DeFi is, how to grow my money, and multiply it, triple it, quadruple it. Yes, you can do all of these things with DeFi. All what you need to do, how to search for a good project, how to do your due diligence, and what to look for. Stay tuned. But before we go into the video, like, subscribe, and also share the video. Share the knowledge. A decentralized reserved currency. It's a very unique approach to DeFi. This one is a little bit different than the regular Uniswap or PancakeSwap or other DeFi like Curve. Olympus is one that stands out really specifically for its APY. It's at 8,000 APY. Pretty much that's the return that you're gonna get with DAO. And I love this when it comes to DeFi and cryptos. Really good, right? Imagine you stake $1,000 and you leave it and it can compound itself on a rate of 8,000. This is just unheard of. But before we get really excited about it, let's dig deeper into this project. Let's dive into this project and really see what's really going on here. So here's what it says. Olympus is building community-owned, decentralized financial infrastructure to bring more stability and transparency for the world. Okay? And here it goes on and on and on to explain, but really what it is, it's pretty much a staking mechanism where you can stake your Olympus, and they have a currency called OHM, and you take that currency OHM and you go there and stake it, but you need an ETH to do that. All right, so you can get an ETH on Uniswap. You buy an ohm, right? You buy an ohm, and then you come back here and stake it. And I'm going to show you exactly a step-by-step how to do this. But what's unique about this DeFi project, here's what's unique about it. A true store of value that doesn't exist yet. So here's what it says. A store of value is an asset that is stable and increase in value over time. Stable coins are vulnerable to inflationary policies, while Bitcoin or Ethereum suffer from market crashes or manipulation. None of these is true store of value. So they are going head to head with the really leading top cryptocurrency in the market, which is Bitcoin and Ethereum. And here's what they are really doing. So ohm is actually pegged to the DAI, which is a $1. So a DAI, it's another cryptocurrency that's pretty much a stable coin. So your ohm cannot go lower than $1. Now that's a good thing to start. Your ohm can go a heck of a lot higher than a $1. So it's not a stable coin, right? So an ohm has the flexibility to go way higher than $1 while earning this amazing return, but it cannot crash below $1. So worst case scenario, even if a crash happens, you will not lose all of your money. It's going to be worth something at the end of the day. But again, this is a long run, not a sprint. This is a marathon. Here's what you need to understand. In order to mitigate the risks of losing money in market crashes, 50%, 80%, 90%, you need to take a look at this DeFi approach. By the way, this is a very unique approach. It's been in the market for a couple of months only. And this is very unique because the way they are doing it, it's different than the other people in the market that is doing DeFi. So let's say you invest right now, So Ohm is at 884. So let's say you buy an Ohm at this price. Let's say you invest $1,000. That's about 1.2 Ohm, right? And let's say that Ohm crashed all the way to $1, right? If you are going to sell, definitely you are going to lose. But if you stay for a long run, let's say 6 months to a year, you are going to make a huge amount of return. And they just leave it there. The more they leave it, the more that compound interest magic plays a part. And then after a certain period of time, let's say 6 months, 3 months, 6 months, a year, then regardless of the market ups and downs, even if the market crashes 90%, you're gonna come out of it on top. You're gonna come out of it making a huge amount of money. Pretty much is my game, right? So staking is a passive income. All what you need to do is just to connect. All what you need to do is just to connect your MetaMask wallet right from here. And after connecting MetaMask wallet, see it ask about your wallet, you connect it, and then after you connect your wallet.
All right, so here we are right now at Ohms. So we go to MetaMask, and then we hit on it. We connect our MetaMask to Olympus DAO. And after we connect our MetaMask to Olympus DAO, we need to make sure that's on an Ethereum network, because this is something very, very important. It won't work without it being on Ethereum network. So a quick way of checking this would be you hit on your MetaMask and you take a look at it, whether it's on Ethereum network or not already. Right now, disconnecting my wallet, and we're gonna go step by step. Here is like a basic information: Ohm's price. You're going to stake. Since I already done it before, it will say here approve. And here's all the information that you need. So when it says approve, you hit approve right here, and then you can pretty much put your max ohms in your MetaMask wallet, right? So it's going to charge you a couple of transactions. First, for approving and unlocking that stake options, and second, for actually staking and moving your ohms from your MetaMask to Olympus DAO. It's fairly simple, straightforward, and as you can see right here, I already staked, and my stake balance is 3.0671 right here, and the next reward yield will be 0.4, which is something phenomenal given the fact that the price is around 800 and couple of change right now. Next reward amount will be 0.0122. and at an interest, a daily interest at 6%. This is phenomenal. This is unheard of. And here's another thing, which is 3 in bonds. So the bonds, they sell you ohms less than actual market price. So market price right now is 874. They sell it for 849.
All right, thank you for staying until now. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you will be updated as soon as I release a new video. I'm planning on working on a set here and bringing everything up in terms of quality, both in terms of the videos and also the projects. I have stored for you an amazing project in DeFi arena and NFT, and we are going to talk about them later on. But please subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification button. If you like this video, thank you so much. See you next time.